Thinking about moving to Latitude Margaritaville and Daytona Beach? Well, today we're going to look at a beautiful Antigua 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a lanai that overlooks a great conservation area, comes with full furniture included, and even a golf cart. All you need to bring is your flip-flops. Hey, this is Todd with Living in Daytona Beach. If this is the first time to the channel, go ahead, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a thing about living in Daytona Beach. Plus, if you're moving in 9 days to 9 months, go ahead, call, text, email, or set up a Zoom video call because we want to make your move memorable. Today, we're at Latitude Margaritaville in Daytona Beach, one of the highest ranked 55 plus communities in Florida, probably the world. Beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a lanai overlooking a great green space, furniture included, even including the golf cart. Let's go take a look at this gorgeous home.